Hello, welcome our the best 5 channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the best Bluetooth adapter for cars which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. Mpow Bluetooth transmitter and Bluetooth adapter receiver. The Mpow auxiliary Bluetooth receiver should be the go-to pick for those who have an auxiliary port in their car but not Bluetooth connectivity. The auxiliary connection is the preferred way to add Bluetooth to your sound system as it delivers audio more consistently than an FM transmitter and at a higher quality as well. The Mpow receiver is pretty foolproof. Simply plug it into your 3.5mm jack and switch it on to receiver mode. Then you can connect to up to 2 devices over Bluetooth 4.1. which has an effective range of 33 feet. This version also has a transmitter mode, meaning you can use it to turn a pair of headphones semi-wireless. The key benefit of this technology is that it doesn't have to pass through any radio frequencies, which means that it is able to stream at a higher audio definition. This device is aptX LL compatible, so if you have an aptX compatible phone like a Samsung Galaxy S9, you can find an exhaustive list of aptX compatible phones here. Attentive listeners will notice the difference, especially when comparing to audio that's been compressed for radio broadcast. Browse, plug and play. High quality aptX LL audio. Voice assistant compatibility. Long battery life. Better signal strength as it pairs devices as far as 33 feet. Clear sound quality. Cons: buttons could be larger. Number 2. Roav Viva by Anker, Alexa-enabled Bluetooth adapter. Here is a very interesting semi-Bluetooth capable hands-free device from Anker. It's called the Roav Viva. It works using Amazon's innovative Alexa voice control technology to provide you with a completely hands-free phone and music playing experience while driving. For a small power port plug-in device, it's loaded with outstanding features. It has such things as instant voice-activated navigation, tap to mute the Alexa service and non-cloud-based phone syncing for a totally private calling experience. That's not all you get with this Alexa-enabled device either. It has a nice dual microphone design to help keep your phone conversations and Alexa communications crystal clear. There are also dual USB ports built into it which feature high-speed charging, so both you and your passengers can keep your smart devices charged up at all times. Browse. Features Amazon's Alexa voice control technology. Instant voice-activated navigation. Dual microphone design. Tap to mute. Local-only phone syncing. Includes dual USB ports for high-speed charging. Cons: has issues with some vehicles. List provided by the manufacturer. USB ports cannot read music files. Number 3. GOgroove Bluetooth FM transmitter audio receiver. This is another transmitter which has incorporated so many features which buyers are looking for. The transmitter uses Bluetooth 2.1 and comes with an auxiliary port. Safety features in this transmitter include the inbuilt surge protection. Installation of this device is something you are going to enjoy as no tools will be needed to do so. Another great feature for this transmitter is the fact that it has a wide LED display which will ensure that you get readings in the correct way. Other convenient features for this device include the USB charging port together with the inbuilt microphone. What's more, this transmitter will allow 2 different devices to be paired simultaneously. Being backed with a 3-year warranty, you will have enough confidence to purchase. Built to adapt. The X2 plugs into and grips your DC outlet with a secure fit. The flex neck is tough but allows you to get the perfect angle no matter what setup you have. Innovative design. Tuning into your music is a snap. Just sync the X2 to your BT device and enjoy the wireless experience. The hands-free tech in the X2 allows the user to make and receive calls while driving. Features of product. Inbuilt microphone comes with air warranty of 3 years. Multi-point Bluetooth connectivity easily connects to the smartphone. Number 4. TUNAI Firefly Bluetooth 4.2 audio receiver. The TUNAI Firefly is an extremely small and simple Bluetooth receiver that turns home or audio systems, headphones, or speakers into hands-free, Bluetooth-enabled devices. It capably streams crystal clear quality audio using its sound revitalization technology. Just one 3.5mm plug transforms your home or audio system, headphones, or speakers into hands-free, Bluetooth-enabled devices. The glowing LED light on the USB indicates the connection is made. It remembers up to 8 paired devices and also allows you to seamlessly pair and share 2 devices at the same time. The Firefly will always automatically connect to the last device used. The drawback is that the TUNAI Firefly only streams multimedia audio, video, music, apps, etc. The Firefly may also not work with all USB ports because it requires little power and some USB chargers and ports automatically shut off when the current draw decreases. The USB charger is not included in this package. The Firefly is also pretty versatile in that you can plug it into your car's audio port or a stereo's USB port. Its connection quality was quite good in my time with it, but it doesn't have a microphone, so if you're hoping to place calls with the unit, you're out of luck. Number 5. Kinivo BTC450 Bluetooth Car Kit Hands-Free Adapter. It's very important to keep your eyes on the road at all times when you're driving. No matter how important your calls and texts are, your safety will always be more important. Thankfully, the Kinivo BTC450 is here to help. This Bluetooth hands-free device will allow you to answer the phone without taking your eyes off the road. The Kinivo BTC450 is compatible with any Bluetooth device, whether it's an iPhone, a BlackBerry, or an Android. The device has a built-in microphone that will easily catch everything you say, and it's even capable of cancelling the ambient noises in your car so the person on the other end of the line will hear you clearly. Pros: excellent auto-connect compatibility, superb stereo performance, inbuilt high-quality microphone. Auto-connects: once the device is paired with your phone, it will connect to it automatically when you start the car. High-quality microphone: all your phone conversations will be crisp and clear. The microphone will also cancel out the ambient noises in your car, so your voice will be the only thing the person you're talking to will hear. Con: one phone at a time. The device will only pair with one phone at a time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. And make sure to enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.